This was, what was the name of this recipe?
It's supposed to be the orange chicken.
But like a healthier version of it.
Right, gluten-free.
And so we made our own breaded chicken in a gluten-free, flour, and pan fried it. And then we made a sauce that had coconut aminos, fresh squeezed orange juice.
Well, it was supposed to have regular orange juice, but we put fresh squeeze.
Ginger, pepper, Chinese 5-spice.
Date.
And before we tossed the chicken, we tried our sauce, like all cooks should do. Good cooks should do.
You should always try your sauce first.
Because otherwise, the chicken that took us a little bit of time to pan fry would have all been in this sauce that honestly we didn't think was the best.
It was not good.
No.
At all.
So we are actually making this dinner for a ding dong dinner tonight. So we kind of need it to work. So I don't know if you've ever tried Trader Joe's to the rescue, Mandarin chicken from Trader Joe's, but they have a chicken that you just, this honestly is one of my kids' favorite dinners that I can have ready in 15 minutes. You literally throw this breaded chicken on a pan, and then there is 2 orange sauce packets in there.
Okay.
And my kids don't like a lot of sauce, so I keep this sauces and I use it on pork and other things. So I had a few extra. So what we did was we took our version of the chicken, the gluten-free chicken, tossed it in their sauce with a little bit of ours, and I think it'll be much better.
We were panicked because this is for a ding dong dinner, so there's not another option.
Yeah, like we have to have dinner.
And so we were trying to figure out how can we fix this? Like, how can we fix it? We have Asian noodles going with it. How can we fix it? We have broccoli. Trader Joe's to the rescue.
Trader Joe's to the rescue. So let's give it a try. There's a fork. See what you think. I'm excited to. It looks delicious. It looks just like the Trader Joe's out of the bag. That's awesome. It really is. That chicken is. Now I will say I do like this chicken better than what's in here because it's
this chicken.
Yes.
Yeah,
I do like it.
There's not much breading on this.
Well, this is lightly breaded and it's a big piece of chicken, whereas this is a lot more just breading, it seems like.
Right.
My kids like it, but this...
So you know what I like about this?
What?
So we did keep some of the sauce, just a little bit, and I'm tasting that Chinese 5-spice.
I am too.
Which I love. So we kept maybe a tablespoon in the saucepan and threw some of those in.
Added it with that. And that's delicious. I love it. That's really good. So, very fast and easy. This was the long route around, but it is a gluten-free version. It was very good, and it's kind of a combination of the two. So we'll still post the recipe. I would say that chicken was delicious. So
the chicken was really good. And there's probably other sauces that you could find. Other recipes.
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
We gotta get packed up for ding dong dinner.
We'll see ya.
Peace.
Bye.